Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recall an email in Gmail even after you've hit send. Let's get right into it. Let's say you just sent an email and realized you made a mistake. Right after hitting send, you'll see an undo option pop up at the bottom left corner of the screen. If you click that undo button quickly, Gmail will stop the message from being sent and bring it back to edit. But here's the catch, you only have a few seconds to do this. Want more time? Let's increase the undo period. Click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Under the General tab, find Undo Send. Here you can set the cancellation period to 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Choose 30 seconds for the most time to catch mistakes. Scroll to the bottom and don't forget to save changes. Now every time you send an email, you'll have up to 30 seconds to undo it, and that's it. That's how you can recall or undo a sent email in Gmail. Just remember, it only works within the undo window. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Gmail and tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you.